Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you tired of hearing the same notification sound every time you get a message on Instagram? In today's video, I'll show you how to change the Instagram notification sound to make it truly yours. So let's dive in. First, this process starts on your phone's setting, not on the Instagram app. So open the phone's setting to access the notification sound options. Next, scroll down and select apps or apps and notifications depending upon your device. This is where you will manage the settings for individual apps. And now from the setting list, click on the option saying app notifications. From here you will be redirected to the list of the apps, and from there you have to find and tap on Instagram. This will take you to the app specific settings. Now from this option, you will be able to either turn the notification completely on or off, or you can also change the notification sounds. So for the Instagram messages, I will be clicking on the option saying Instagram Direct. From here you can see an option saying sound, and the notification sound is currently set to default. So when you click on it, you will have access to numerous sound effects which you can use as your Instagram Direct notification sound. And once you are happy with the sound you want, simply click on back and you can close the setting app. And that's it. Changing your Instagram notification sound is super simple and helps make your notifications stand out. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a question? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one.